Hello, dear students. In this playlist, we are going to cover a very important and trending topic artificial intelligence. So, before learning about what is artificial intelligence and the details, we will first try to understand what actually intelligence is. So, let's start. Intelligence is the ability to learn, to deal with different situations, to acquire, understand, and apply knowledge, and to analyze and reason. What does it mean? Ability to learn. As you can see that we are learning things and we uses them in our daily life, like problems and all, to deal with different situations. That means in case some problem or some event had occurred, then how you tackle that, to acquire understand, then you try to understand the things and you apply the knowledge. For example, in maths classes you'll see that the teacher explain an exemplar problem and you are able to solve the questions by yourself. That is, you are applying the knowledge that you have gained from the example, and finally you are able to analyze and reason the things. Okay, so what is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to learn, deal with different situations, to acquire, understand, and apply knowledge in analyzing and reasoning. So, what actually intelligence is requires the possession of knowledge. Intelligence is the need. Intelligence कब happen होगा? जब हमारे पास knowledge होगी. For understanding this particular sentence, we are taking an example which is shown in next slide here. So, check it. To understand intelligence, let us take an example. If we select two persons, here we are considering two person. The first person is termed defined as first, and the second is second one. So we are having two persons, and we are asking these questions to them. Like first is what will happen if a cat sees a mouse. Second is what is the house of address of the president of India, and third is what were the educational degrees possessed by Lord Ram. So we are considering these three examples. We are considering these three examples and try to explain them according to person 1 and person 2, to decide that whoever is more intelligent. What we are actually trying to understand with this example is the concept of intelligence. So let's start with the first example. Here first example is what will happen if a cat sees a mouse. So in example 1, or sentence 1, you can see the person 1 is replying. Person 1 and person 2. Person 1 says that the mouse will run away. Mouse will run away. This is the response of person 1, that mouse will run away. Now, the response of person 2 is cat will catch the mouse and eat it. Cat will catch the mouse and eat it. These are the two responses from the two different persons. Our question is what will happen if a cat sees a mouse? So according to our intelligence, we know that first person is saying correct. He is responding correctly that mouse will run away. For the person two, he says that cat will catch the mouse, which is absolutely correct, and eat it. So according to example 1 or case 1, we can say both are intelligent. Both are intelligent. Both person 1 and person 2 are intelligent. Now considering the example 2 here, that is what is the house of address of the president of India called. So let's see the responses of two persons, person 1 and person 2, for second question. So here person 1 and person 2. For this question, both person 1 and person 2 don't know the answer. They both don't know the answer, but they are trying to name like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Rashtrapati Bhavan, and and Ryan Sina, Raya Sina Hills. So what we are going to consider with this answers of both the person, we will see that they don't know the answer, but they are trying to find. They are actually trying to find and hence are intelligent. Both are intelligent. This is for the example 2 that both persons are intelligent. Now we will consider for question number 3. Here the question is, what were the educational degrees possessed by Lord Rama? So for this, both the persons are trying to give solution or answer. So it's our third question, and in this, person one is saying that he tries to find. He actually tries to search or something from book or Google, etc. He tries to find the answer that what were the educational degrees that were possessed by Lord Rama. At the same time, what person two replied, it is very interesting thing to understand. Person two replied that at that time, educational degrees were not there. Educational degrees were not there, which is absolutely correct. As we know, educational degrees are dated after that time, after the time of the Lord Rama. So, in this case, what we will conclude that person two is more intelligent. Because why he is intelligent? He is intelligent because he knows the knowledge. He is having the knowledge that the educational degrees were not present at the time of Lord Rama. At the same time, person one don't know that educational degrees weren't there at that time and is trying to find, which is incorrect. So in this situation, we will finally say that person 2 is correct and is more intelligent as compared to person 1. So I hope this example is clear. With this example, what we can conclude is that knowledge is the basic. Knowledge is the most important part, is the basic and most important part for the possession of intelligence, मतलब having of intelligence. Intelligence तभी होगी जब knowledge होगी. Actually, it is the power of knowledge that makes us intelligent. That means if knowledge is more, that means we are more intelligent. Imparts the capacity on us to reason. Knowledge give us the capacity to reason, analyze, manipulate, changing, that is manipulate means change, and act in a given situation, and how to act in a given situation. So what is the basic role of intelligence? Intelligence directly relate with the knowledge. If we are having more knowledge, that means more intelligence. So this is the all introduction about intelligence. I hope it's all clear. If any doubt remaining, then you can comment. Thank you.